voice in the desert, calling out. Behold your God over all my doubt. On the high place where my fear once stood, I see your mercy, I see your goodness. Behold your God, high and lifted up, mighty to save. Yet you carry us, your arms so strong, your heart so kind. Behold you carry us, your arms